I switched to plant-based product because actually I wanted something that was clean and felt better for my body.
I switched to plant-based products because I wanted to go all natural in as many areas of my life that I could control.
I wanted to switch to products that were better for the planet.
Cruelty-free products are very important, especially in the time that we're living in. We need to be conscious of what we're leaving behind for the next generation.
I like that Jusu's products just looked elegant, inside and out.
I don't want to put limits on the areas that I explore to be healthier, have a healthier body, and switching to a plant-based product felt like the real natural part of that journey.
I chose Jusu because if you read their story, go on their website and see what they're all about. They're founded in integrity, and I truly trust that what they're bringing to market is exactly what they say it is.
So for me, my mother had cancer. Something that has, no aluminum, vegan, plant-based is really important, especially for myself, just being respectful of my own body and where I could end up based on my genetic history. So I really like their products for that reason.
After trying Jusu, there's no going back.
I'm glad I found Jusu.
Jusu is definitely the right choice for me.